now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. You see what time it is, man. We got some Hat Club exclusives right here, and I'm ready to get into them, man. Let's go. Let me put the first box right here. We're gonna go ahead and slice it right on down the middle. Peel it back. We're gonna peel it back. Let's see what we got, man, because I've been needing. Oh, dang. I done put some extra tape on this. There we go. That's better. Let's go. Okay. Let's see what we got. Ooh, yes, yes. One of them ones I've been waiting on. Pink lemonade. We got the pink lemonade right here. We got the Toronto Blue Jays. I like the fact that they put that pink right around. You know, it's usually red right there. They got the pink there. We have the yellow New Era flag. The yellow New Era flag stitched in right there. We have the all pink Batterman logo. It's the flat logo, all pink. That's looking real nice. You feel me? Toronto. This is the all-star version right here. 1991, man. Pink bottom. You see what time it is, man. We got the Hat Club, you know, 45 bucks, man, which is pretty much standard for a custom nowadays. We got the all black sweatband. I love a black sweatband because that means I can really rock it without worrying about if it's getting dirty on the inside, man. So I appreciate the black sweatband. We got the pink bottom. Here we go. Right here we got the hat size 7 1/8. We got the New Era flag, Cooperstown collection. Let's go ahead and try this joint on, man. This is the pink lemonade joints, and right now they're actually doing a pre-order for them. So I mean, if you like any of the pink lemonades, go over there right now, get your pre-order in. I got it off the shock, you feel me? I like to get mine on the shock drops. The only I guess you could say bad thing is it doesn't come with an exclusive. Hold on, let me see. Huh. Now, you know, we usually get like a regular pen. And hey, Hat Club, man, I'm missing my pen. I should have at least a regular pen. What I was gonna say is, on a pre-order, you usually get like a special edition pen or something like that. And if you get it on a shock or you get it a little bit early, then you just get a normal pen. But I didn't even get a pen at all in this one, man. So I'm gonna have to send y'all an email or something. But anyway, let me go ahead and take off the Dodger joint. This is 7 1/8. This one has a good feeling on it. Boom. You feel me? Give you a little bit of that pink bottom. Turn it to the side. Patch looking good. You feel me? I like this. Let's go ahead and go to the next box. Now this box gotta have a pin in there, man, or I'm gonna be disappointed. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead, slice it right down the middle. Peel it back. Peel it back. Well, I tell you, man, y'all use some good tape over there. There we go. Much better. Oh, yes. Okay, packing slip. Come on, Hat Club. I'm 0 for 2 on the pins, man. What's really good, man? Y'all gotta talk to me, man. We got another pink lemonade right here, man. Pink lemonade, New York Yankees. Has the white Yankee logo, so there's no pink on the front logo right there. Let's see what this is. This is 96. Looks like 1996 side patch right there. Let me go ahead. Got a nice shine to it. You feel me? I like anything with that gold. We got that flat Batterman logo, and this is more so, I would say, a neon pink. It's not like a soft baby pink. Like if you look at the underbrim, which is pink, but then you look at that Batterman logo right there, you see that this is more of a brighter pink right there. So yeah, we got the pink bottom. You know, that's how we got the pink lemonade joint. Size 7 1/8, all black sweatband. You know, hat size, New Era, Cooperstown collection. I can't believe I'm 0 for 2 on pins. And I would usually say if you got the pin, then you in. But look like I ain't in. So let me try this one on real quick. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that feels real good right there. let's get into the last box, man. We got the last box right here. Slice it right on down the middle. Go ahead and get a good slice on there. There we go. Let's see if we can peel it back, man. You know, brother been struggling today, so peel it back. There we go. All right. Oh yeah, now this the big boy right here, man. I already had this hat, and I did a review on it before, but it was so nice, I had to do it twice, man. And just so y'all know, this is another no pin special, man. So I don't know what the deal is, man. I'm gonna try to get the info and then I'm gonna let y'all know. Local icons. We got the Dodger Classic right here, man. We're gonna break down this hat real quick, man. All royal blue button top, right? Gray bottom. You got the size 7/1/8 right here. We going to the roses. Now I'm gonna go through these patches pretty slow just so you can get an idea on that embroidery, that patchwork. You feel me? We got the roses for the Rose Parade. Dodger Stadium right there, Chavez Ravine, you feel me? Go ahead, take a look at that. We're gonna keep on moving with it. We got the Los Angeles in the old English writing right there, you feel me? This is one of them hats that it's like a top, I'm gonna say top 5 just because they came out with this one. They also came out with the New York Yankees. And I really want that Yankees one, man, but I had to go with the LA. I feel like the Dodgers gonna win it all this year, man. I think this is their time, man. So you got the Batterman logo right there. You got the raised Batterman logo right there. We got that Paisley right there, you feel me? Paisley for the royal blue. Then what we got? The palm trees. You know it ain't Cali if it ain't got the palm trees, man. Then we got the old school lowrider, you feel me? Part of the car culture in LA, you feel me? They have to put that lowrider on there, man. And we back to the top, man. Inside, gray bottom, all black sweatband. This one is a little bit different, you know, hat size, new era, genuine merchandise. And then the Hat Club actually has their own patch on this one. So you feel me? This is a classic, man. Gotta get a local icons in the collection, man. I'm gonna take this joint off, man. Very nice. Put this joint. Oh yes. And the last one that I did buy, that was a local icons. I had a 71/4. But since then, I've gone down to size 71/8, and I feel like this one just fits me so much better. I'm a lot more comfortable with it on, man. And yeah, there you go, man. Like I said, the pink lemonades, man, they pre-order right now. Pre-order right now. So I got 2. I'll probably get the Angels one as well. But if you like any of these, this is your time to get it. Don't tell me, oh man, where can I find it? It's sold out. This the time. Go to Hat Club. Go ahead and get your pre-order. Now it's gonna take a while. You probably won't get the hat until about January, maybe February. But at least you know that it's coming. Anyway, please give me a like. Subscribe to the channel. I have more hats coming. I have more clothes coming. I even got a couple of lookbooks coming, man. You know, we're getting a little bit into the colder months. You know, we got the fall right now. So I'm going to show you what I feel like, how we should be dressing during the fall, man. So make sure you stay tuned. Turn on the notifications, man. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie. And I'm out.